Reverse psychology is a manipulative technique where you encourage someone to do the opposite of what you actually want them to do. This approach works by playing on the person's natural tendency to assert their independence, resist authority, or feel that they are making their own decisions. It is often used subtly and can be highly effective in steering someone toward a particular outcome without them realizing they're being manipulated. How reverse psychology works. Reverse psychology exploits psychological reactance, which is a person's instinctive resistance to feeling controlled or restricted. When someone feels that their freedom to choose is being threatened, they might act in opposition to what they perceive as an attempt to control them, even if it's not in their best interest. Practical examples of reverse psychology. 1. Parenting. Scenario: a child refuses to eat vegetables. Reverse psychology. The parent might say, "You probably won't like these vegetables, they're really only for adults." The child, eager to prove that they're grown up, might then decide to eat the vegetables to assert their maturity. 2. Sales and marketing. Scenario: a salesperson wants a customer to buy an expensive product. Reverse psychology. The salesperson might say, "This product might be a bit out of your price range, maybe something cheaper would be more suitable." The customer, not wanting to appear poor or unable to afford the best, might then insist on purchasing the more expensive item. 3. Relationships. Scenario: one partner wants the other to spend more time with them. Reverse psychology. Instead of asking directly, they might say, "You know, you should probably spend more time with your friends. I'm sure you don't want to be stuck here with me all the time." The partner, sensing a challenge or not wanting to seem neglectful, might then choose to spend more time with them. 4. Workplace dynamics. Scenario: a manager wants an employee to take on a challenging projects. Reverse psychology. The manager might say, "I'm not sure if you're ready for this project yet. It's really tough and requires someone with a lot of experience." The employee, eager to prove their capabilities, might then volunteer for the project to show they can handle it. 5. Social situations. Scenario: you want someone to attend an event they're reluctant to go to. Reverse psychology. You might say, "It's okay if you don't come. You probably wouldn't enjoy it anyway." The person, wanting to prove you wrong or fearing missing out, might decide to attend. 6. Negotiation. Scenario: you want a higher price for an item you're selling. Reverse psychology. You might say, "You probably wouldn't want to pay more than X amount for this, so maybe we should consider a lower price." The buyer, not wanting to appear cheap, might then offer a higher price to secure the deal. Ethical considerations. While reverse psychology can be effective, it is a form of manipulation and can be ethically questionable, especially if used to deceive or coerce someone into making decisions against their best interests. In dark psychology, it is employed to subtly control others without their awareness, often leading to outcomes that primarily benefit the manipulator. It's important to use this technique responsibly, as it can backfire if the person realizes they are being manipulated, potentially damaging trust and relationships. Did you enjoy this video? Show your support by liking it and leaving a comment. Your feedback is invaluable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Together, we can make this channel even better.